Now, children, what are you supposed to do? Have you completed the work of unique features? Yes or no? Nihit Agarwal, Avika Agarwal, Noel, what about the work
Yes,
of
ma'am.
unique features?
Ma'am, we have done.
We have
Ma'am, we have.
You have completed it all, chapter 16, 17, both the chapters have been done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all right, perfect. Now today what we are going to do you have a chart paper at your home? Just tell me this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a chart paper.
How many of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have
I
it?
also have.
Just
Ma'am, I also have the chart
very
paper
nice.
at.
Wonderful.
I
That's
also have the chart
wonderful.
paper.
Wonderful.
Ma'am.
Now, in your books on page number 130, open up page number 130.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see these pictures that are drawn at the bottom of the page, different kinds of pollutions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so you have to divide
Yes.
your chart paper into 4 blocks and draw all these pollutions, and you have to name it which is what kind of pollution it is. For example, I'm just going to share uh, a student's work on your class group. See, she has drawn so wonderfully. This is
Ma'am,
from,
these pictures.
yes, this is from 4th C that I'm sharing with you. Everybody see your, check your class group and see the poster that a student has made. This is how you're supposed to make it. This will be today's activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you all checked the picture?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Noel?
Ma'am, I have a pink chart paper.
No problem. You can draw on pink chart paper.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nihit?
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
we have to also color it.
Yes,
Ma'am,
of
I have
course.
also a pink chart paper.
No problem, children. You can draw on any chart paper.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Virat, please check your class group, WhatsApp group. I have shared a picture with you of different types of pollution.
Okay, ma'am.
You have
Ma'am,
to
it is compulsory to make like a book.
see, it is compulsory to make how this chart has been shared with you. Now you can add on any picture that you like, but it should be drawn in the same way. The drawing can be different, but you have to divide the page in the same manner. Do you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Advika Gupta, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how I want your chart paper to be very big. Your poster should come out like this. The drawings should be very big. This is what I want.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is compulsory to make it on chart paper.
Yes,
Or we
that's
can make.
compulsory. That's compulsory, beta. And then,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, you send the photo. It is showing this is a A4 size paper.
no,
You
it's a
send
big chart paper.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. But beta,
Ma'am, we are
even if this paper is small, but you can see how neatly and how big the pictures are looking. It is looking so clear. All I want to say is this: even if you want to draw it in your drawing sheet, oh sorry, in your drawing file, you can draw it there. But you have to divide the page, and your drawing should be very big and clear. All of
Ma'am,
you,
we have to draw this in pink chart paper.
no, you have got white chart paper, you can draw on that. Any color chart paper that you have, you can draw on that.
Okay.
All of you, please open your cameras. What makes you put them off?
Ma'am, we have to make it now only.
Yes, beta, you have to make it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratyush Pal. Pratyush, are you there in the class? That means Pratyush, you are not
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
okay.
I'm there.
All right. Beta, what are you doing? Do you know what is being done in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you started doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to see your work in the middle of the class. Okay. How much you have completed?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I am asking that it is compulsory to draw that one only, or we can see from Google also.
Beta, you can see from Google also. But all I want is that your drawing should be very big in size. Okay. I did the same work in 4th C and the students have done it so beautifully. See, I'll share one more picture on your class group. Can you see this? How beautifully it has been done. So neatly. It has been labeled so well. And the pictures are so tidy and clear. So I want all of you also to do it in the same way.
Ma'am, I'm not seeing.
Yes?
Ma'am, it is not from.
It is there in 4th A group I have sent. Children, please check and let me know. Can you see the picture or not?
Ma'am, we can see the picture.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is come.
Children, anyone wants to show how much you have done or what you have done? Let me just have a look of what you are doing, how you're doing it. Advika, you're very good at drawing. Beta, show what you have drawn so far. Advika Gupta, are you there? Nihit. Okay, Nihit, you want to show something? Very nice, Nihit. Very good. What about you, Pratyush? Pratyush, how much have you done? Not replying, huh? What should I think then? Shaurya and Apurva? Harsh Agarwal? Pratishta Singh? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How much have you done, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes, Virat.
ma'am, I'm studying on computer so that I cannot show it.
Your computer does not have a webcam.
Ma'am, it have, but it cannot be extended.
So, beta, bring your chart paper in front of the camera. Don't
Okay, ma'am.
extend that. Yes. Yes, Shaurya and Apurva, even you were saying something.
No, ma'am.
Have you started doing?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to show it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see what you have done. Very nice. Very good. Now, children, you have to, whatever you make, after you complete, you have to do proper outlining. Okay, with sketch pens. You have to write whatever you are writing in your poster, you have to write in bold letters. Don't use cursive writing. Write it in bold letters. It should be very clear and big. Okay, make sure to keep these points in mind when you finish, when you give the final touch to your poster. See, children, how beautifully he has made. Very nice work, beta. I didn't know you're so good at drawing.